Let me start off by saying this advance happy Diwali to everyone out there. I hope each and every one of you celebrate this Diwali to the max. Okay, so in today's video, I'll be creating this full glam makeup look with high coverage base, beautiful eye look and glossy lips. If you're someone who is planning to wear lehenga or sari, this look will definitely be helpful for you. And also you can just swap the shimmer shade and you can wear it with your outfit. Okay, you can follow rest steps as it is I've mentioned in this video. And also, if you're someone who is a bridesmaid, who's going to be a bridesmaid, this look will definitely be a very good inspiration for you. And to be very honest, if I am a bride, I would consider wearing this because this is that kind of a glam, right? So yeah, and this is very long lasting as well. Let's get started. But before that, if this is the first time you're watching me, hi, I'm Soundarya. I make unfiltered and relevant beauty content here on YouTube and on Instagram. If that sounds like your thing, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button, ring the bell and hit follow on my Instagram. Now without any further ado, let's begin. This is the before situation. My skin is still healing, so for this Diwali we need to do a very good skin prep and a high coverage base to salvage this situation. I'm starting with BOG's Ginseng Essence Water. This will hydrate my skin, soothe it, calm it, and I really love this primer. Toner. And next I'm using this Just Gold moisturizer. This is the first time I'm using it, which is a very great risk for a serious makeup tutorial, but still it worked well. It's a lightweight moisturizer that gives a sticky base. I love it so far. And next I'm using Swiss Beauty 3-in-1 makeup fixer to prep my skin, and I'm going to top this off with my Insight Hydra Blur primer. This is a sticky primer, a gel based one at it, and it's very hydrating too, so I love this one. Dot it all over your face and pat it gently into your skin. With sticky primers, don't vigorously massage it. If you do, it will pill up and make your foundation look patchy. So gently pat it into your skin and apply it on the areas where your foundation will easily fade away. Next, I'm using this tinted lip balm, which will leave behind tint because I want a tint today for my lip combo. And next I'm using a tissue paper to blot away the excess primer. To neutralize my pigmentation, today I'll be using this e.l.f. under eye brightener. This is a peach corrector that will not give you any coverage but only neutralize those pigmentation. You can see the difference for yourself. Next, I'm using a high coverage foundation from Makeup Revolution, which will give you that soft focused finish, soft matte finish, cloud matte blurred finish. It's a bit warm for my cool olive undertone, so I'm adding a little bit of blue corrector and I'm using pack 231 to blend it in. With whatever left on the foundation, I'm running it around my eyes to give that coverage. Since it is a high coverage foundation, I decided to apply the same under my eyes for that extra coverage, and I'm going to couple it with my highlighting concealer to give that high coverage while it will also not turn gray, because I have also added a shade matching foundation there. Okay, I'm blending it using Mars Angular brush, and I'm going back with my foundation brush to ensure there are no demarcations between my highlighting concealer and my foundation. And then I'm using this Nykaa Matte to Last powder. Today I'm picking it up with a mediumly dense brush, keeping it aside, pull the skin under my eyes and then smoothing my creases, and then I'm going to set the under eye and then leave the skin. This will ensure that your under eye stay creaseless for longer period of time. Then use a powder puff to set my T-zone because I have combination skin. Next, for blush, I'm using this Mars 09, which is a deep muted orange. I'm applying it on my apples and also I'm little bit on my nose because I love that finish. And next, I'm using Makeup Revolution bronzer. I love the undertones of Makeup Revolution bronzer, so I'm applying it on the perimeter, a little bit under my jaw and a little bit on the sides of my nose to give that nice bronzed and chiseled finish. Because I've used a high coverage foundation, I need the dimension. Next, I'm using highlighter from Makeup Revolution again on the high points of my cheeks. I'm not a very huge highlighter user, but for today's makeup, I'm going all out, okay? And yeah, this is the base. I love the base today, and I'm using the same Swiss Beauty 3-in-1 fixer to set it. This will give that natural dewy finish and also it will not look very dewy, like soft matte. Okay, for eyes I'm starting with Swiss Beauty Micro Finish eyebrow pencil. This I'm going to overdraw a bit, and also I'll be filling my eyebrows with the same. Now I don't want my eyebrows to look stark, but at the same time I don't want it to look very natural and understated. I want to crack the right spot. Okay, that's what I'm trying to do. And next I'm using a warm brown. This is from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to apply it on my transition area using a very fluffy brush, and to create a very soft transition, next I'm using a smaller blending brush to pick up a darker brown, and I'm going to apply it on the outer corner, and I will also take it on my crease. This will create a very beautiful soft definition. I'm going back with my fluffy brush to ensure there is no stark demarcation or anything, to give my eyes that smooth gradient and transition. Okay, next, using a kohl to create a smudged liner look. I don't want it to look smoky. I don't want it to look like I have applied a liner using a kohl. I want a soft line along my upper lash line. Okay, and next I'm taking this liquid eyeshadow from Inside Cosmetics. It matches my outfit, so here you can use any shimmer eyeshadow, be it liquid or powder, whatever as you wish. You can choose it as per your outfit color. Okay, and apply it on my inner part of the eyelid. Don't apply it over the smudged liner that we created. Next, using the same kohl, I'm going to tightline my lower waterline, and using the same dark brown eyeshadow, I'm going to apply it on the lower lash line. I'm also going to connect it to the outer part of my upper eyelid to give that smooth transition, smooth soft defined eyes. Next, I'm going to use mascara. Then coming to the lips, I'll be blotting away the excess lip balm, and you can see that beautiful subtle tint, right? I'm going in for a warm glossy lip, so this will definitely help. I'm using Mars Choco Butter to outline, blend it a bit, then go in with a warm brown. I'm using Zudio Choco Pebble. You can use any warm brown lipstick, and then I'm using Fay Beauty Soaring to gloss my lips up. Finishing everything off with the last layer of powder. This will ensure that everything is blended really well and looks seamless. And that's pretty much it. I hope you all found this video useful and informative. I'll meet you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. Again, advance happy Diwali to all of you. Bye.